We just put some fresh straw bedding for you, haven't we, darlings? Hey, are you nice and comfy? Hello to you, Smarty. You lovely and comfy? It's starting to rain out here, and they did forecast a gale. So the girls are tucked in. Lily, you say hello to the world. There's Lily. Yeah. Look at her all tucked away, nice and cosy. That's how she likes it. She likes to be covered in straw. Thank you, darling. Look. And then Petals behind her. So peaceful. Smarty. I think they're happy. Petals? She's buried her head under all that straw. Bless her. Smarty, the mother, and her babies, Lily and Petals. And as you can see, they have been wallowing.